Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So dear viewers, today I am here with another beautiful video. In this video you will see such a beautiful and outstanding centerpieces ideas. All the ideas are very unique, colorful and attractive. All the ideas are very helpful for your home decor. They're beautiful festival Christmas. As we soon the Christmas is coming soon and everyone is waiting for the beautiful occasion. On this occasion, the Christians were very excited to celebrate their beautiful and religious festival. They want to decor their homes on this beautiful occasion. They were very excited for their beautiful occasion in every year. They were celebrated with joys and happiness. They were also decor their homes with beautiful things. And my videos and my ideas are specially for my all dear viewers who are waiting for those beautiful videos. As you can see in this video, such a beautiful centerpieces ideas. All the ideas are very colorful and attractive. All the ideas are designed with colorful and different unique pieces like balls, trees, Santa Claus, stars, bells, and many more things with beautiful fairy lights. So, my dear viewers, keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing unique updates. Subscribe my channel, share my videos with your family, friend also. So my dear viewers, stay blessed, stay happy, have a great day.